how to put an FGR4P in forced update mode. I'll show you how, a quick tutorial on how to do it. Check it out. First you put the bind plug on this side. Like this. You put it on bind and then on the other ones. Then you take your receiver or your transmitter, your ESC, you put it in port 2 like that. You put a battery on there. This is the battery, the ESC. When you put the ESC on, you can see this one. 3 flickering lights, pause, 3 flickering lights, pause. Noble on. I'm going to show you here. Then you press this button. You go to RX set. Then you go low, update receiver, FGR4P, FGR4P. Choose that one. Then you go update. Okay. Now it's updating. Goes pretty fast. It's updated. You go back. Now you put it off. You pull it out. You put it in bind mode. Like this. You go back. You choose a channel, model. I don't have one on the 6. Yes. You go back. You go back. Oh. You go back. You put RX set, bind set. That's a classic RX, that one. You start binding. Oh, first put the power on, of course. It's bind. So that's it.